Go.
Okay, now watch carefully. Don't blink or you'll miss it. Don't we love Canadian Tire? That was a pony bill, wasn't it? Now watch, we'll change it back. Now like I said, don't blink or you'll miss it. Go to the right.
Ladies and gentlemen, feel free to enter into the beer gardens. We'll give you a red band.
Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to come out here into the audience and I'm going to visibly change one card, just like this. Did you see a change? Are you impressed?
Yeah.
Don't be. Okay? Now watch. We'll take one card like this and put it down. Now repeat after me. Hey diddle diddle.
Hey, diddle, diddle.
The queen is in the middle.
The queen is in the middle.
Okay, now. 1, 2, 3. The queen is not there anymore. The queen is right here. This is the card that you have to watch, okay? We'll put her right there. 1, 2, 3 cards. You remember what they are? A joker. Another joker. And yes, one more joker. 1, 2, 3. One card goes right here. We take the queen, put her back into the middle. Say it with me. Hey diddle diddle.
Hey, diddle, diddle.
The queen is in the middle.
The queen is in the middle.
Okay, 1,
1,
2, 3. Where is she now? Take a guess.
on the bottom.
On the bottom? Well, she's not on top. Not in the middle. Not on the bottom. See, remember, the queen is here. This is the card that you have to watch. Now we'll do it one last time, slow motion. One card goes down. Queen goes back into the middle. Say it with me. Hey diddle diddle.
Hey, diddle, diddle.
The queen is in the middle. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Where is the queen now? Take a guess. How many people think she's on top? In the middle? On the bottom? How many think she's right here? Well, if you said she was right here, you'd be wrong because the queen is now on top. In the middle. And on the bottom.
Yeah.